Hello, in this video I will show you how to replace the coolant and bleed the cooling system on Hyundai I40. On different engines, the coolant filler cap and the coolant overflow tank might be in different positions, but the procedure is the same. First we need to drain the coolant. To drain the coolant, first we need to open this coolant cap. This is the coolant overflow tank right there. We don't need to open that cap. That's how you open it. You don't need to open it. You can close it. Now we're gonna go underneath the car and drain the coolant. On this car there is a drain plug for the coolant. It's located on the radiator. We need to open that drain plug and the coolant will start flowing from there. On some other engines there might not be a drain plug, so if there is no drain plug you need to remove the lower radiator hose. Now we're going to open the drain plug and the coolant will start flowing. Once all the coolant is drained, then we're going to close the coolant drain plug and we'll start filling coolant in. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now we're going to close off the coolant drain plug and then we're going to go to the top of the car and start filling the cooling system with coolant. The place where we're going to fill the cooling system with coolant is where we removed the cap. Where that coolant cap is, that is the highest point on the cooling system, so that's where the cooling system is going to be bled from. So first we need to fill the cooling system all the way to the top. You can see it's already to the top. So now we're going to press those hoses for a little bit just to see if there is any bubbles coming out, and then we're going to fill it again to the top. Now I'll show you when I press those hoses, you can see there is some air coming out. There's still some air in there. Now that some air bubbles came out, next I'm going to fill the cooling system again all the way to the top. And next I'm going to go inside the car. I'm going to turn the ignition on. After I turn the ignition on, I'm going to put the temperature to the highest setting, to the hottest. And I'm going to put the heater blower motor to the first position. When I put the heater blower motor to the first position and the temperature to the highest setting, that's how I'm opening the heater core and the coolant will start flowing into the heater core. Now I'm going to start the car and I'm going to let the car run until it bleeds itself out. If there's still air in the cooling system, there's going to be some bubbles coming out of here. That's because that's the highest point on the cooling system, and then and also the coolant hook starts to go down. Once the coolant level drops, make sure you top it up all the way to the top. I'm still going to press those hoses for a little bit to see if there is any air bubbles that are still in there. Next I'm going to go inside the car and press the accelerator for maybe for 30, 40 seconds, 60 seconds, 2 minutes. We'll keep it around 2000 RPM, and that's how the engine operating temperature is gonna go to 90 degrees, and once it goes to 90 degrees then the heater should start blowing hot air. Once the heater starts blowing hot air, that means that the cooling system has bled itself, and that means we're done with replacing the coolant. Here I'm checking the heater if it's blowing hot air or cold air. If it's blowing cold air, that means we need to hold the accelerator pedal for a little bit more until it starts blowing hot air. Make sure you look at the coolant level in the cooling system. If the heater has started blowing hot air, that means the cooling system has bled itself, so now we can turn off the car and fill coolant as necessary, and then we can close off the coolant cap. When the car gets cold, you can check the level of the coolant again and fill as necessary. Next I'll show you the whole procedure for replacing the coolant and bleeding the coolant system in the service manual. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.